Lalo pang lumakas ang bagyong Rolly.
Ng bagyong Yolanda.
Super bagyong Yolanda.
In a world defined by uncertainty, one undeniable truth emerges: the likeliness of disaster. From the relentless nature of Mother Nature, the complex web of human actions, our planet faces a multitude of challenges that threatens lives, communities, and ecosystems alike. In 2023, the Philippines ranked second as the most exposed country to tropical cyclones, second only to Japan. The reason is that the Philippines is in the direct path of the Northwest Pacific Typhoon Basin, where numerous typhoons form each year. Typhoons typically originate east of the Philippines and often track westward, bringing them into the vicinity of the Philippine area of responsibility. Not to mention the ongoing rampant situation of climate change. With that, how do climate change and global warming factor into the increased frequency and severity of natural disasters?
Countries should invest in such things because, number one, natural disasters can result in the loss of human lives. Preparedness measures such as early warning systems, evacuation plans, and public education can significantly reduce casualties. And these disasters create devastating economic consequences, including damage to infrastructure, homes, and businesses. Also, investing in such things is also an investment in human lives, as natural disasters can disrupt the supply chains for food and water. Preparedness efforts can include stockpiling essential supplies and establishing backup distribution systems to meet basic needs during and after disasters.
As stated, things would only get worse with climate change left unsolved. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council is a government agency tasked with coordinating disaster risk reduction and management efforts across the country. The Council works in collaborations with various government agencies, local government units, and non-governmental organizations to prepare for, respond to, and recover from typhoons and other disasters. With that, how does effective disaster preparedness influence a country's ability to respond and to recover after disaster?
Effective disaster preparedness plays a pivotal role in influencing a country's ability to respond and to recover from disasters. It serves as the foundation for a coordinated, timely, and efficient response, significantly reducing the loss of life, property damage, and long-term social and economic impacts. Suppose we develop preparedness measures, including the development of emergency plans and early warning systems, public education, and awareness campaigns conducted during the preparedness efforts ensure that communities understand the importance of following evacuation orders and safety instructions. This compliance minimizes risk and reduces the casualties during a disaster.
Naka-live report pa kaninang umaga si Atom Arroyo mula mismo sa Tacloban City. Nakuna niya ang bagsik ng pananalasa ng super bagyong Yolanda.
Filipinos are well known for their bayanihan spirit, which means helping those who are in need in time of emergency, especially in disasters. Filipinos are quick to respond to the ones in need. Filipinos, regardless of their social or economic status, display an unparalleled sense of urgency when disaster strikes. They rush to help their fellow countrymen without hesitation. Entire communities come together to rebuild homes, schools, and vital infrastructure. In that case, what role do public awareness and education play in fostering a culture of preparedness for natural hazards?
Public awareness and education play a critical role in fostering a culture of preparedness for natural hazards. When individuals and communities are informed and more prepared, they are more resilient and better equipped to respond to and recover from disasters. Also, public awareness and education help people understand natural hazards that affect the region. This includes knowledge about the types of hazards, hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods.
As we conclude this journey to the heart of the disaster, we are faced with the profound realization that our world is not defined solely by the challenges it faces, but the strength, resilience, and compassion of humans. But our mission is far from over. The questions we've raised, the issues we have covered, and the stories we've told serve as a clarion call, a call for collective action, for a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet and its people. The disasters we explored are not isolated incidents, but mirrors reflecting our choices, our impact, and our future. Thank you for joining us on this compelling expedition. This is not the end, but the beginning of a collective commitment to a safer, more resilient world. Together, we can turn the tide, face the unthinkable, and shape a brighter future for all.